What is going on, guys? It is Saturday morning. It's a beautiful Saturday, and it is time for a freaking haircut. Look at this shit. My freaking hair is all freaking jacked. I need to get a cut bad, man. Damn, this lighting is kind of dark too. But check it out. So today we're gonna get a haircut, and whoa, so many bumps in the road. We're also gonna probably take care of a couple of things that need to get done. So I want to actually show you guys this little surprise that I've been kind of keeping under wraps a little bit. I did post it on Facebook, if any of you follow me on Facebook, about what I did. So just a little surprise later on. I'm gonna kind of, I guess, reveal it. It's not nothing much, man. It's just, you know, something slight, something light, and I'm excited about it. Now I'm hoping that, you know, the next phase of what needs to get done will get done, but we'll see. So right now I'm gonna get my cut real quick, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Dave always come through with the freshie. So trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day right now. Probably wipe the car down because it's hella dirty here. Woo-wee. So I need to wipe this thing down. Got pollen over it. But that's shit dirty as fuck. But yo, it's freaking Saturday, man, and it's a nice, beautiful day outside. It's not cold, it's not hot. It's nice and breezy. It's just like super nice. Yo, this nigga always blesses me, bro. This cut came out fire. Whew. But yo, check it out. So I'm gonna show you guys what's been going on, and I have to check with my boy because he's supposed to be doing some stuff for me today. If not today, then definitely tomorrow. And I also have to go pick up some stuff at my other homie's house. It's got a lot to do, man, and then spend some time with the family. That's gonna probably be the biggest focus for today, is spending time with the fam. So yeah, got my cut. I feel like a new man again, and now we about to go back on the road. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Eat it. All right, so just did one more thing. Had to go pick up my dry cleaning real quick. As you can see right here, I like getting myself dry clean. It just lasts a lot longer, to be honest. So I'm gonna put it in that bad boy, and then we back on our way. All right, yo, so we back at the crib, and had to go pick up some dry cleaning stuff, you know, took a little trip around the block and stuff, and now I'm over here about to try to hopefully get some work on this thing. A lot of people thought I sold it, but I actually didn't. I probably never sell this thing, but check it out. I redid the engine bay. As you can see, now it is silver. It's no longer yellow. And I changed it because the yellow, one, wasn't done right. Two, it was just a blah ass color. Like the color was just like blah, super blah. And this right here is a super silver, and it has a purple pearl in it. You can't really see it, the purple pearl, too much right now, but it's there. I promise you it's there. So yeah, this is what I've been working on. Shout out to my homie Graham for recommending the other homie to me to get it done. He went above and beyond. He went ahead and painted it, and he also repainted my buckets black. These were yellow, painted yellow too. He went and painted my motors back black, and also put in new hardware. I have to get some more of these because I gotta finish putting them in other places. But yeah, man, it came out super dope. Super, to be completely honest, like, it's something that needs to be done. It was just time, because the old paint job was starting to fade, and it was starting, not fade, it was starting to chip. It was starting to peel in certain areas. So it wasn't, for what I paid for it, it wasn't the way it should have been. So this is what it is now, silver, and I'm super happy about it. I have so many plans to get this thing done. Hopefully my boy is supposed to come pick it up maybe tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna work on it tonight, 9 to 10, because I gotta get some more stuff on it done. Also a couple other things, man. I've been like low-key trying to restore it back to somewhat, I won't say factory, but just trying to restore it to a better state. So for instance, I started redoing the trunk, right? In the trunk, let me take this out real quick. I went ahead and got black carpet for the trunk that I found someone. I was in South Florida, cool dude, and I went ahead and copped that from him, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like real quick. So I got the black pieces right there, over here also, and this right here. It's actually gray, but I spray painted it with black black fabric spray paint. I think I have somewhere. Hold on. This right here. I used this right here and I sprayed painted it, and it came out freaking phenomenal. So if anybody has like gray carpet and they want to make it like mint, this right here. You can see it right there. Fabric and vinyl. This is the last can too. Crap. I'm supposed to pick up my other cans today, because I also did get black carpet, and I also did get, sorry, I got more carpet, or carpet for the back. I don't know if I'm gonna use it yet, but I might use it as just a cutout template for something else I'm gonna put back there. And I got seats, so I got the rear seats I'm gonna put in as well. I'm out of breath. Sheesh, I ain't do YouTube in a minute. So yeah, I got the seats. I'm supposed to pick those up today possibly, and the carpet from my buddy Ravi. And this thing right here, this right here is gonna be the money maker. So if you don't know what this is the Spirit rear bumper, right? And this is not just the regular one. This is the super duper rare one because it has carbon fiber. You can't buy this anymore. This is no longer available. So yeah, that's going on the car. Super excited about it. And I got the Spirit front bumper too. I didn't talk about that just yet, but I do have the front bumper. It does need to be fixed, but I do have it. I'm excited about that. I am going to be swapping bumpers. I'm not going to just have one bumper. I personally hate fiberglass, especially with this thing. This is not my preferred way of aero, but it is the most popular aero you could find right now, and I'm excited about it. But I'm still going to use the Type X front as well, so I'll be swapping it in and out every so often. So I'm probably gonna end the video here, man. I'm probably gonna do some stuff with the family, go to a museum, do some other things. Just do me a favor, man. Give me a freaking follow, give me a like, a share, a comment, all the above. That definitely helps me out to grow. I'm trying to do more videos. I had one video that I had recorded and everything, and then I erased like an idiot. So hopefully, you know, I'll still continue doing more videos. So this video should be up possibly like next week sometime. By the time you see this is Saturday. It might be up midweek. But thank you guys once again for watching. Please go ahead and comment. Let me know what you think of the engine bay. You know, it's pretty dope, man. It came out really. Definitely let me know what you think about it, and leave a comment below. All right, I'll see you guys later, and until next time, peace.